So one of the things I get asked all the time is what tools I use to create my content. People think that I have a whole team. They think I hire expensive videographers, photographers, everything. No, I don't. Everything is done by moi. Now, the first thing I start with is my phone. And that's why when people procrastinate and say, oh, I need the big Sony A3, I need lights, and no, I'm literally using my iPhone to record this. I have my light on up here. I'm using natural light, which means I can't do my videos at night. I can only do it in the day. I'm using a little mic that I have on my iPhone. It's not the best quality, but it can work for now. So that's what I use. I use my phone. I just ensure the video settings is set at the highest, which is 4K for iPhone. Samsung, I'm not sure, I can't tell you what the highest quality is. The second thing I use is the GoPro 10. I'm telling you, it has come from far away because I had a GoPro, I think it was 3, and I wasn't impressed. So this comes in really handy. It's small, it can fit in my little purse, it can go wherever I want to go, it can go underwater because I do a lot of underwater shots, a lot of dynamic shots, which I like. It's good. It can actually be done for vlogging. It's discreet. It's not like you have a big camera walking around in place and people think you're a professional videographer. So I love this little tool. It can also shoot in 5K, and that's what I shoot in. Their only disadvantage is it takes up a lot of space, and it doesn't have good battery life if you're shooting in 4K. So you have to bear that in mind. My favorite tools that I have and I love is the DJI gimbal. Now let me tell you, this is the bad boy for me. At first it was hard to use because it's mechanical. Unfortunately, my gimbal got damaged, it got water damage, and so it's not working, so I'm gonna have to look at buying one. But it was worth the investment because it has this little tripod that you can actually put on a table if you are solo and you want to travel, you don't have anybody to take your pictures with, and you want to take a picture of you eating or just going somewhere or just sitting somewhere and sitting. This is very convenient. You can just put this on your table, your phone goes here, and it just literally moves with you, and that's what I love. Have it, guys. I've given you all the little bits and tips on how you can be a content creator. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and look out for more content that is driven around educating people about content and educating people about coming to Jamaica, guys. Thank you so much. One love, and stay tuned for more.